Once upon a time, there were four animals: a donkey, a dog, a cat, and a rooster. They were all old, and they were no longer useful to their masters. Their masters were thinking of abandoning them or killing them. The donkey ran first. He was very sad. He thought, I will go to the city of Bremen and become a musician there. On the way, he found an old dog panting on the side of the road. The donkey asked, Hey brother, why are you panting so much? The dog replied, I am old and no longer good at hunting. My master has driven me away. I don't know what to do now. The donkey said, No problem. Come with me to Bremen. I am going to become a musician there. You can play the drums or sing. We will form a band together. The dog was happy and they both set off towards Bremen. After walking a little distance, they found an old cat on the side of the road who was very sad. The donkey asked, Cat Queen, why are you so sad? The cat said, I have grown old and am no longer good at catching mice. My mistress has thrown me out of the house. I don't know where to go now. The donkey said, Don't worry. Come with me to Bremen. We are going to become musicians there. Your sweet voice will be perfect for our band. The cat was delighted, and the three of them set off for Bremen. As they walked, it started getting dark. They found an old rooster sitting on the roof of a house who was screaming loudly. The donkey asked, Brother Rooster, why are you shouting so loudly? The rooster said, There are guests coming tomorrow, and my mistress is going to make me soup since I can't get up early in the morning anymore. I've run away. The donkey said, Don't worry, come with us to Bremen. We are going to become musicians there. Your loud voice will make our band great. The rooster was happy too, and the four of them, the donkey, the dog, the cat, and the rooster, set off for Bremen. The evening deepened and they were still in the forest. They saw light coming from a house far away. They were tired and were looking for a place to spend the night. They decided that they would go near that house. When they reached near the house, they saw that it was a den of thieves. The thieves were sitting inside the house and eating and drinking. The animals thought about how to drive these thieves away and take over the house. They made a plan. The donkey stood up and the dog climbed on his back. The cat climbed on the dog's back and the cock climbed on the cat's back. Then, together, they began to sing. The donkey brayed, the dog barked, the cat meowed, and the rooster crowed loudly. They did all this in front of the window of the house. The thieves were very scared hearing this strange and terrifying sound. They thought that some demon or ghost had come. They all ran away from the house screaming in fear and hid in the darkness of the forest. The animals entered the house and enjoyed the delicious food left by the thieves. After eating, they decided to sleep. The donkey slept in the courtyard, the dog behind the door, the cat is in the kitchen near the stove, and the rooster is on the ceiling beam. At midnight, the leader of the thieves sent one of his companions back to the house to see if there was still any danger. The thief entered the house slowly. In the darkness, he saw the glowing eyes of the cat, which he thought were burning coals. He blew on them, but the cat scratched his eyes in anger. Frightened, he backed away and collided with the dog, which bit him. Then he ran towards the door and the donkey gave him a hard kick. Finally, when he came out, the rooster crowed loudly at him from the roof, which frightened him further. The thief ran back to the chief and gasped, There are terrible monsters in that house. A witch scratched my eyes. A devil bit my leg. A demon kicked me, and there was a judge on the roof shouting for me to be hanged. The thieves never dared to return to that house again. And thus, the four friends, the donkey, the dog, the cat, and the rooster, did not go to the city of Bremen. They started living happily in the same house, and probably they live there even today, enjoying his new musician life. Learning from the story. What we learn from this story is that with intelligence and cooperation, even the biggest challenges can be faced. Never give up, especially when you have friends. Everyone has some talent, even if they are old. By working together, we can turn our weaknesses into strengths.